DIY solar homestead. So today the chickens are leaving. They got a new home. I must have went to 3 dozen places on Saturday after work. And there was a lot of farms and homesteads, but nobody was home. Every time I said, "Oh, there's chickens," and I pulled in and nobody answered the door. So I did find one. After a while, someone would say, "Go down 2 houses," and nobody answered. Somebody else, another place would say, "Go down 2 houses this way or 2 houses that way." Then I saw some, I don't know, 2 dozen chickens or so out in the yard, and I went to talk to the neighbors. They had a couple semis, and yeah, there was 2 guys and a woman, and the lady says, "Well, look, everybody's having a combat boot party here." And I started laughing. We all had our combat boots on. They're in their civilian clothes, of course, but yeah, we had a good time. They said 2 houses this way, and somebody answered the door. So that was the kids upstairs, Mom's downstairs, and I had to come back on Sunday after Mom got home from wherever, and she said, "I'll take them. I'll take the 7 chickens." She said, "What do you got?" 2 roosters. They're not old enough. They're not laying yet, but the 2 roosters, only one's crowing so far. The 5 females are not laying eggs yet, but I got them in the spring, so I was thinking soon, but some people say it's almost a year before they lay eggs. So it is what it is. But he just came here and looked at them. He's gonna go get the cages, and I got a 5-gallon, or I got a big trash can, a steel trash can full of feed. I don't know if that's $200 or $300 worth. They're getting a good deal. Free chickens and free feed for a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna keep some of it, because these little tiny squirrels have all this feed, but they keep nesting here. That's not really a squirrel nest yet. I don't know if it's gonna be, but I will help to supply some food to the squirrels as well. I'll still have some outside pets. So this will be cleaned up real quick and put in storage. I'll probably put it on the side somewhere. I gotta rake all this up and get the backyard mowed up here in the next day or 2, probably the whole yard. Yep, I learned a lot. I did figure that it's wide open and I would get told on. Could have been one of the owners. I don't know. I don't care. But I have learned a lot from the chickens. The chickens have taught me so much, so that when I do get out to the country, I know I'm ready for chickens. So they never got sick. They never had any problems. And that was a blessing, because I've seen some YouTubers that their chickens got sick or whatever. And I wouldn't have known what to do, but we didn't have that problem. And I do know I can raise chickens now. But when I do get to the country, I need more space than just a little chicken tractor. I'm going to need 4 or 5 times bigger if it's a chicken tractor. Be a little bit more like Justin Rhodes maybe, and be able to transport a lot of chickens every day. Alright, so that'll be another phase in our life. Oh, don't worry, Uncle Al. I'm not learning the hard way. I did this on purpose so I could get a jump start on knowing what to do. It's extremely hard to find a house in the country when you got solar panels, because everywhere you go, there's always a neighbor's tree that's going to be blocking your yard. There's always something. So there was only like 3 houses that I have seen this year where there is not going to be shade on the solar panels, but they were a little bit too pricey for me. So it is what it is, but I did learn a lot, so that's amazing. And we all have our own little journeys in life. Uncle Al, hope you feel better. Everyone go over and see Diebulfrog79. I'll put the link down below. And these are the survival skills and such. And we'll see you on the next video. And you have a nice sunny day.